Our learning management solution offers your organization with a variety of learning opportunities that can be customized to meet everyone's needs. This LMS tool reinvents corporate training by allowing you to streamline your training initiatives to deliver an engaging and motivating training experience. With this easy-to-use tool, you can empower your employees to take control of their learning in a way that keeps them engaged, challenged, and encourages them to be productive. With our blended learning approach, you can deliver self-paced online courses combined with in-class and/or virtual training opportunities. And with our robust reporting insights, you are able to monitor and assess training and development across your organization. Let's begin by taking a look at how you can access and manage learning opportunities for your organization. As a manager of people, you will have instant visibility into the training activities across your team. Right here from this solution, you can quickly jump into your Learning Academy to create course material and assign courses to your employees. Now, because providing those developmental opportunities to your team is so critical, you can also check out the status of any courses that have been assigned to your employees for completion. Then, by using our reporting framework, you are able to create filters to get better insights into your learning activities. For example, you could create a filter to show employees assigned to a specific training course, and then you can keep track of the status of that course to ensure completion across your entire team. And you can also create charts to help visualize these training activities. Also, managers have quick access to their Learning Academy right from this screen. As we access our Learning Academy, you are brought to your dashboard, which gives you quick insight into various training activities across your organization. For example, you are able to see how much time is being spent on those assigned training activities and what the average completion rate is. Also from your dashboard, you have access to courses or curricula that you have been assigned and are required to complete. Now, as an administrator, you will have the ability to manage all of the content that is available for your employees, so you can ensure that everyone has access to the right training materials as needed. This tool allows you to create your own training courses and learning content, giving you more control over the content that you push out to your employees. When creating this content, you can upload your own documents. So think about what documents you might want to provide to your employees. You can upload your existing PowerPoint presentations or PDF documents for your employees to review as part of their training curricula. And you have the opportunity to record your own quick overview to set expectations for your learners as they complete their course. Now, if you have training content already available on YouTube, then you can copy the URL and paste it here to bring that video in for your employees to review. Then, once you've gathered all of the relevant training content, you can use your own course material or on-the-job training content by dragging and dropping that content into the new course. This just allows you to arrange the course into a single digestible course which can be shared with your employees. In addition, you have the opportunity to purchase courses through the marketplace. Right from here, you can check out the course marketplace, which consists of compliance courses, industry-specific courses, safety courses, etc. Back on your dashboard, you can check out any suggested courses that you can enroll in, and you have instant access to the course catalog to view your newly created course. So let's jump into our course catalog. In this case, let's look for the Communicating with Colleagues course. As part of building a new course, you may want to preview or manage the configuration of that course. So here you can view what the employees will see when accessing this course. There will be a description of the course, along with the lectures or the steps associated with this course. In addition, you can manage this course directly from this screen. There are a lot of options when building your course. For example, you can choose to make this course public or private. Public courses are available within the course catalog for employees to enroll themselves, whereas private courses generally require assignment. Here you can get into some of the deeper configuration options. For example, you are able to award a certificate upon completion of this course. You can also set an expiration period for this course, meaning if this certification is good for 1 year and then the employee needs to take this course again, then the course can automatically be reassigned. Here you are also able to create discussion boards and add continuing education credits for the completion of this course. Also, if you need to add any additional steps or edit existing content for your course, you can upload those new documents right from here. In addition, you can build exams for this course to test knowledge and ensure retention. And finally, this is where you can create badges to award to your employees for the completion of this course, which can be used to help encourage participation. Now, after your course has been created, then you can assign this course to your employees. Now, you can either assign this course to an individual employee, or you can use the advanced filters to assign this to a group of employees based upon their department or their job. Now, keep in mind that you can use our auto assignment rule. The auto assignment rule will allow you to auto assign this course to an employee who matches the criteria. So this is a great way to make sure that your new hires have been assigned all of their relevant training curriculum. Now, as mentioned previously, with this solution, you can encourage collaboration across your organization with the use of discussion boards. Not only can discussion boards be tied to a specific course, but they can also be used in a broader capacity. The company wall is a global discussion board that can be used to collaborate across the entire company. Now, back on your dashboard, you can also access your group discussion boards. Essentially, you can have separate discussion boards for different groups of people to share best practices or experiences or additional insights with that group. For example, as a member of the management team, you can use this collaboration tool to help support one another. In addition, you will have global access to reporting to make sure that everyone is smoothly moving through their training and development activities. Now, when it comes to reviewing your training statistics, you have a few different options. First, you will notice that this report is currently being broken down by employee. And when searching for an employee, you can also check out these metrics to see how many courses have been assigned and completed by each employee, along with how much time is spent on training activities. And from here, I can also get more details around their training activities, including how they performed on their quizzes and how many attempts it took to get a passing result. You can also filter this report to view completion metrics for specific courses, on-the-job training programs, exams, or even on-site or virtual events. So using the courses filter, let's take a look at our Communicating with Colleagues course. Now, when you open this course, you will see a list of all of the employees who are assigned to this course and what their progress is. You can then drill down into the details for each one of these individuals as needed. You will also have access to a report builder, which will allow you to create your own reports as needed. Now, there are a variety of different report categories to choose from. So if you wanted to see how people performed on an exam, you can choose one of these base reports to get started. You can then add or remove columns and apply filters as needed. You can also schedule this report to be run automatically and to be emailed to your management team based on your desired frequency. As you can see, this insight gives you increased visibility into the training activities across your organization. Now let's dive into the employee's experience and check out how easy it is for a learner to access their assigned courses, see suggested courses, and really own their own development. Now keep in mind that employees can access this tool and engage in their learning activities from any device. From here, an employee can review and access any required courses, like compliance, that have been assigned to them for completion. And employees can also take ownership over their own development by enrolling themselves in courses that can meet their personal career growth needs. And keep in mind that an employee would receive an email notification informing them of any upcoming courses that are pending their completion. Now, an employee can quickly and easily access these courses by clicking on the course itself. To begin their training, they would simply walk through the steps outlined in this course, as you can see here. Within the first step of this course, the employee is required to watch a video, and you are able to keep track of the duration of time spent on each step to make sure that they participate in the full activity. After completion of that video, perhaps the employee must take a quiz to test their retention of the information provided. And as mentioned previously, you are able to report off of how an employee scored on their tests and how many attempts they had to get a passing result. So essentially, an employee will be able to access the course content that you created, including any supporting documentation, videos, quizzes, etc. So they have everything they need to be successful in their developmental progression. In addition, you can encourage participation in a course discussion where you can prompt employees to share their ideas and feedback with their peers. The home dashboard is where your employees are able to see what courses have been assigned to them, and they're able to check out the progress of each course. They can then launch into that course to begin reviewing the content. Now, employees can also be assigned a curricula training program, which consists of multiple courses bundled together into a single training package. The dashboard will also allow your employees to participate in polls and collaborate with their peers through group discussions. Here, they can also check out a calendar of upcoming training events that they might want to register for. Now, if an employee participates in a training event outside of the LMS tool, they can upload a copy of their external certification for continuing education credits. Employees can also earn badges for their training activities. And back on the dashboard, you'll see that they can compete with one another using our leaderboard. The leaderboard can be global, or you can establish participation limitations based upon various factors like location or department. Also, right here on the dashboard, employees can search through the course catalog and enroll themselves into any courses that they might be interested in taking. Now remember, you can automatically assign on-the-job training materials or your annual compliance trainings. And for any other developmental learning opportunities, employees can browse through the course catalog and enroll themselves. They can then apply filters based on the type of training they're interested in. For example, maybe they are interested in taking a new leadership role, so they would like to check out the leadership courses to help them prepare for their career advancement. Once they have viewed the course descriptions, they can easily enroll themselves right from here. As you can see, this solution will help streamline your training initiatives and maximize the overall training experience for your employees.